friends, Quill here. Welcome back to the channel, and today we've got some exciting news, specifically to the channel, not to Pokemon like yesterday, although, if you didn't check out that video yet, go back and check that video where I update you guys on some of the information for Pokemon Sword and Shield. But for today, we've got some exciting news on the channel. But before we get there, make sure you hit that like button down below, subscribe, and click the notification bell, just so you can get some updates on the channel whenever they come out. So, when I started this channel, I had a lot of fun. I had a lot of new equipment, and I purchased a streaming starter kit from Amazon. It came with the webcam that you guys are watching from right now and that I'm talking to right now. It came with this. Here, I'm going to see if I can show it real fast. Some behind the scenes. It came with that little lamp right there, which both of those things I'm really happy with. The webcam isn't the greatest, but it's definitely not the worst, and it's definitely good enough for what I need. And the third thing that came with was this little microphone, and it's done me well enough so far, but for the quality of content that I want to be putting out, it's not quite what I would like. And so I had a little bit of extra money saved up, and so I went out and got this, the Blue Yeti Microphone, and it is a USB microphone, which a lot of people don't care for, but a lot of people on YouTube, especially in the Pokemon community, use Blue Yeti to record their content, and so I wanted to get a chance to do that, and I figured an unboxing was a good chance for a video. So we're going to get into this box really fast. So as you can see, this box, not the best box, but I don't care what the box looks like as long as the microphone is good. We're going to go ahead and open it up now. Alright, and so we take out this little compartment. Here, I'm going to be really careful with this. I don't want to get going on this video and then have a broken microphone. Alright, so then that box has a smaller box inside of it. Interesting. And then when you open it up, there is the USB cable, and then an instruction guide. Pretty lengthy one at that, it looks like. Oh, no, this is all just pictures and stuff. Okay. Some nice styrofoam. We love styrofoam. We don't love styrofoam. Oh, and there it is. Okay. Ooh. So this is our new microphone. I really like the design of it. It's really sleek. I enjoy that. So here we've got a little mute button. You can't see it probably because of the glare. But this is a mute button right here. Here we've got the volume button in case you wanted to plug in your earphones to hear what you're saying, singing, doing, whatever. So then we've got our gain right here. That's how much, as far as I understand, that's how much the microphone hears, what it picks up. And then this is the really exciting thing, the thing that I've got. It's the pattern. So there you can, oh, let's see. Let me look on the box because I don't want to tell you guys any wrong. So it can record in stereo, which records basically everything around you. That's what this microphone does. It's really good with stereo. It records everything, which is really bad when there's a lot of background noise and I'm trying to speak to you guys. It's also got cardioid, which is what we're going to be putting on most of the time. So when I'm talking at it here, the cardioid pattern records very, very well up front and then very, very poorly back behind. So that's really good for like streaming and recording, pardon me, and those sorts of things, because it doesn't record so much of the outside noise. It records mostly my voice, which is going to be great. That's why I don't like this microphone. It's just too noisy and too poppy, and this one just has a lot more control. It's got Omni. I don't really know the difference. Okay, so stereo records two different. So like if you're in stereo and you talk like you're over here, then the person who's listening in their headphones will hear my voice on one side as opposed to the other. Omnidirectional is that where it collects sound from all over the place and records that sound as one file. That's what this microphone does. This one doesn't do stereo, it does omni. And then also bidirectional. Okay, so bidirectional is just in front and behind. It's really good when you're having a conversation with someone and want to record that. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this thing in, and so we can try it really fast. I'm probably going to cut here. Can you hear me now? Okay. Alright, so I don't know quite what this sounds like yet, but let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. It was really easy to set up. It literally took me, probably took me 5 minutes to put together. And I probably could have done that quicker if I had better managed my cables when I set up the computer. But let me know down below what you think the sound is like. I think it's a lot better. I actually don't know, that's a lie. I've not listened to it yet, but I'm optimistic. And I mean, the microphone, it looks great. It looks really sleek. I like that it feels really stable on the desk. It doesn't feel like it's gonna go anywhere. Whereas this other one, I mean, it's got a little clamp on it and it's a stand. It was a cheap mic and it feels really cheap. And as far as microphones go, this one isn't really expensive, but it feels a lot better. And I hope that it splits a lot less. So, other than that, I did want to do a quick channel update just because there's been so many changes going on. We are no longer doing Fire Emblem videos every day. It was really hard to keep up with, and no one was watching them because it's hard to keep up watching one video every day, especially as long as those get. So we're doing Fire Emblem Fridays, so make sure that you watch for that. And I'm about to record an episode of our Fire Red Omega Nuzlocke challenge. Right now, actually, I'm going to record that. So be watching out for that as soon as this video goes up. But that's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday still. What time of day kind of depends, but still be expecting that. We are going to stream probably just once or twice a week, and it's really going to kind of depend on what I feel like doing that day. We're going to shy away from doing it as much as I had planned on. But just stay tuned. I do plan on doing some more like top 10 videos or rumors about Pokemon Sword and Shield. Those sorts of videos I have more fun with, I think, than I do streaming. And I hope that you guys, all of my friends, will enjoy that content more as well. Alright, friends, I think that about does it for this video. So, as always, see you next time.